Hello, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is this Ganesha bottle art. I will show you how to create this. It's really simple, so let's get started. I will use this wine bottle for my bottle art. You can use whatever handy for you. First, I will draw a simple Ganesha picture with the help of this white Apsara pencil. Now I am done with my drawing. Hope it's visible because it's too light. Now I will use black glass liner for outlining. See how I am doing it? After it's done, now I will put some colors. Today I am gonna use glass colors. And lastly, for chain and little details on the dupatta, I am using golden acrylic colors. You can use golden glass liner also. And after it's done, top of the bottle, I will do some simple decoration, but it's totally your choice. Now it's totally ready. It's too simple but beautiful. Hope you will like it. If you like my videos, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.